We asked Arkansas State Police about protocols and the way they did the internal investigation. 5 News reporter Kayla Davis shares more on what ASP and the driver's lawyer both had to say.
Attorney Aaron Cash, representing the driver, Angel Zapit Alvarado, says this traffic stop was unusual from the very beginning.
Typically, you'd ask for the ID, the driver's license, the insurance, and the registration. That didn't happen here. The trooper decided to go hands-on immediately and immediately escalated the situation.
Today, we reached out to ASB for more answers surrounding the protocols of a typical traffic stop. In an interview on Wednesday, Colonel Mike Hager says Duncan's actions were justifiable and correct in this situation.
The law is clear and the policy is clear, and we can use the amount of force necessary to effect an arrest.
The dashcam footage shows a clear struggle between the two, lasting 4 minutes and 26 seconds. But Zapit Alvarado claims he began defending himself after he felt the taser hit him a 4th time.
There's also some research out there that if you get tased multiple times, that it can have effect on your mental state, where you may not know what's going on top of the fact that you don't speak a language, could have contributed to that. But all that being said, by that point, he was defending himself.
Near the end of the struggle, Trooper Duncan shoots Zapit Alvarado, grazing his right temple. An ASB statement sent to 5 News says in part, ASB did confiscate Trooper Duncan's service weapon and submitted it to the Arkansas State Crime Lab. This is standard protocol. But Benton County Prosecutor Josh Robinson says Trooper Duncan was never placed on administrative leave. Robinson is working through the facts of this case ahead of making a decision what charges should be pressed on Zapit Alvarado.
I have to set aside my feelings, my predispositions to both of these people and just look at the evidence and see what the evidence says when I put it on top of the law and my ethical obligations.
Covering news where you live, Kayla Davis, 5 News.
Well, this case, as you can see, is sprawling. We've got all the videos and documents posted on 5newsonline.com. We'll keep you updated as this story develops.